Let's now talk about image variations. OpenAI provides an endpoint to generate a variation of an existing image, which needs to be square and less than 4 megabytes in size. A variation just means that it's going to create an image that's very similar but not the same. This is how you do it with the API, and this with the library. Let me show you with a demo. So here's the two notebooks and the image that I'm going to use to create a variation. This is the author that I'm going to request a variation from. So let me go to the API. I perform the same steps as always, just that the endpoint is /images/variations, and I provide the image. I execute, and here you go. This is the variation that was generated. It's close, but it's not the same as this one. Okay, and with the library, it's just this call, image.createVariation, which takes a few moments, and a new image is generated.